Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do batch payments in Xero. So first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, we're just going to go to Business, then Bills to Pay. We are just going to see and view bills that is awaiting payment. So just click on awaiting payment, and these are all the bills that is unpaid, and all you have to do a batch payment is click on the specific bills that you want to pay in batch, or you can also simply select it all by ticking this checkbox, then proceed by clicking on batch payment. So from here, just add in information about this payment. Start by adding a payment date. So say for example, it's today. And of course, we're going to select our bank account. So add more details. And once everything is done, just proceed by clicking on make payments. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!